Hello, my name is Rez. I'm a professional game programmer. I do electrical engineering as a hobby. This is day 12 of our Advent calendar. And we're here. We're down here to day 12. Well, there's 24 of them, so this marks our halfway point. And, we're already well on our way. Third capacitor. It's exactly the same one. It's that 104. So that means it's another 0.1 microfarad. Here's our day 11 thing. I'll flip it over to day 12. We have another 100 nanofarad, 0.1 microfarad, same thing. This increases the frequency even more with the trimmer set accordingly. You can use it again, the push button, to create more stuff. Okay, so it's exactly the same. Oh, so I'm gonna have to tweak some of this stuff, because now we're basically mapping them all. Okay, well, let's do that. Okay, so there's gonna have to be some change is gonna have to come along here, because yeah, I've only got, well, I think I could make this work. I've got 2 slots there. Let's do this. So I've kind of got, I don't know if you can see it, I've got basically 2 rows here. So this is going to be kind of tight, but that's okay. I've got this one. Try and straighten these guys out a little bit. Got, let's do like that. And then you're going to go right here. So we've got 3 capacitors all in series with each other. I suspect that these buttons are eventually going to sort of short out some of these capacitors or short out some of these other resistors, just like what we're doing with this resistor here. I suspect it's going to be exactly the same thing that we just saw, but with different frequencies. Ooh, it's a little kind of funky. I think it's a seating issue. There we go. Atari is the best ever. Oh, it's pulling more current than I should be pulling. So, yeah, that's a thing. This is my power supply. I don't know how well it's going to come out, but if I turn it on, there's a red light here. This says we're in current mode. The voltage has dropped to 3. I set this to about 20 milliamps just for safety, really. So I'm going to crank this up. Oh, wow, that changes. That is loud. 1 second. This is going to be crazy loud. I don't know that I want to crank this up this much, but let's find out. That is super loud. There we go. So we're at 100 milliamps. That is crazy loud. I'm going to try and cover it a bit, but man. Okay. There we go. Man, that is loud. Okay, that really cranked up the volume. I just, especially for recording purposes, I may actually throw in a little my own little trimmer. Okay, that is way better. So these are 10K, which is way overkill. This is not actually what I would want. But this little slider here, this is my dad, who is an electrical engineer as well. He had tons of electronic components, and he gave me, buckets full, basically. So I have a ridiculous number of these tiny little 10K sliders, and it's basically just perfect for this. I mean, at 10K, you're going to hear nothing. This is 10K, but if I crank it up, there it is. So I can hear it. This is about 10 ohms, so it's still actually a little smaller. But it lets me at least trim the volume so it's not too crazy for recording and stuff. So we'll have this little guy in the circuit. We'll just kind of kit bash our own little thing here. So there we go. Okay, that's it. That is day 12.